One of the most common questions that I'm asked by people whenever they call the office after they've been hurt in an accident is, hey, do I really need a lawyer to help me with this case? And that is a very logical question to ask. If you've been rear-ended by another person, that person is clearly at fault, why is it that you just can't deal directly with their insurance company to settle the case? And honestly, there are some cases in which I really can't bring any value to it. Let's say, for example, that you had minimal medical expenses. You had less than $1,000. You might have clear fault on behalf of the other person. You might be able to resolve that case and walk away with as much money in your pocket as I possibly could have gotten for you in that case. And really, there's no reason to have a lawyer involved in it. But let's say, for example, that you've got a standard case that involves substantially more medical expenses. You have some questionable liability. You have insurance companies, health insurance companies that are involved that are going to seek reimbursement. Let's say that you got a hospital lien that's placed on your case as a result of treatment that you received at the hospital following your accident. All those different factors are ones where you can really have substantial reasons to have a lawyer involved in the case, and one where you should have a lawyer actually looking at it and helping you get through the process, because there are a lot of moving parts here. You have to establish fault, you have to collect all the medical records and medical bills, you have to establish what your future treatment will look like, if any. You have to establish whether or not there are health insurers who are entitled to reimbursement or have a right to subrogation arising out of any settlement proceeds that you have. You might have a hospital lien that needs to be dealt with. All those different factors are ones where we can really build some value into your case, really help you get to the number that you should as a result of your injuries here. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. I hope you're doing well. Talk to you soon. Thank you.